Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here from Market Respect. Welcome to the next video regarding the dollar Swissy. So here we have been analyzing the market and predicting the short side. What I have expected last week is to market to retrace a little bit more up to these levels of 0.1990. It didn't do so, but just continued down. So this was the last move down. So this, and after this we expected retracement, which didn't happen, but the targets were met. So if you were in this trade, these targets, if you're in this trade before, of course, the targets on the -27 have been met. The market bounced twice back from this one, and now all we can do is to wait a little bit. I will just delete everything what is not relevant anymore. What we can see now is that the market is bouncing back a little bit. I will jump in now here. You can do it, but on a smaller time scale there. You should be then finding the entry point. It's extremely bearish, so I wouldn't just jump in here. I'm not sure about it. It looks like a double bottom, but on the smaller time scale, all these patterns are not so relevant as when you are looking on a larger time scale. This is something we just need to wait here. So you have to be careful now. I wouldn't go against the major trend personally, but that's something you have to decide on your own if you're trading on a smaller time scale. Let's go back to the 4-hour, and now we will see. So this is not relevant anymore, this is not relevant anymore, and this is not relevant anymore. This could be relevant. Let's check with this one. Okay, so this is the area which was multiple times retested, rejected, so acted like a support, again retested and rejected, and when the market slipped down here below it, but sharply moved up. It's and then it has been also consolidating in this triangle, which then was broken down, and now clearly again in a downtrend. But we could see now a little bit of consolidation around here. This is the next possible scenario, and then we can then see another push to the downside, or maybe we will now see let's say break of this really sharp downtrend line. Maybe this will be so, and retracement up to the 6180 or 7860, which will then be in line with these two trend lines. So then you will have three confirmations. If the market traces back up, I will be going short on this pair. You will see that this now has a triple confirmation. The first one is the retracement from the last impulse move down up to this 61 area between 6180 and 7860 of the retracement of the Fibonacci retracement levels. The next thing is to respecting the downtrend line on a larger time scale. And the last thing is retesting the last broken uptrend. So the retest of the last broken uptrend, respecting of this down move on a larger time scale, and the retracement on the last move to the downside would be a good entry point for further position to go south. As on any other pair, we have been seeing that the dollar is weakening, so this is the case on this one also, but now it's not a good time to jump in. Maybe it's a good time to jump in on the long trade here, but I personally wouldn't prefer. If you're doing so, then you have to adjust your position, adjust your risk. When doing so, you have to then check for a smaller time frame retracement, like retracement back here. So if this is now the new high, then if the market retraces back here and then moves up here, so this is the move you can catch. Here you will have then Fibonacci retracement. You will have respecting the smaller time frame uptrend line, and you will have here so retest on the broken downtrend line. This is the possible scenario, and it will be the case. If you want, then follow the market and look for these long opportunities. Me personally would rather wait to see this coming, so to see market retraces back up to this point. This is the most highly risk reward trade, and that is what I'm waiting for. So we had a good trade here. Why spoil it and lose on the bearish market going long? It's really risky, if you ask me. That's all regarding the dollar Swissy. We will do one more video regarding the Aussie, which will also met our targets. If you have been following me last week, that's all for this video. Stay healthy, stay safe, wish you all the best, and bye.